video, I am going to unbox something that I bought online, and I want to share that with you. But before I do that, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and I hope that you enjoy watching. So let's get started. Wow. Okay, now I have the box, and before we open this, I want to share with you the reason why I bought this product. Well, since I moved to a smaller place, I can't afford to have bigger things. So, and also I hope that this can help simplify my routine and also make me more disciplined. And when it comes to laundry, I have this bad habit of accumulating them. So I hope with this, I can change a little bit. Okay, so now we're ready. So I bought this from Robinson's online store. I think it took me around maybe 2 to 3 days. And the best thing is I bought this on sale. It's only 1,300 from 2,050. Batch. Ta-da! Inside, so this is the wash timer. You can spin. There's dryer. That's good. This is the basket for the trash. Not there. Maybe everything here. I'm not really sure. We'll check it out. Seriously, have to check the manual. Okay? This cover as well. I saw that the name of the actual product is different from the one in the manual. So right now I am going to try to contact their customer service, and I want to find out why.
Online สวัสดีค่ะ For English please press 1 สินค้าถูกยกเลิกต้องการยกเลิกการสั่งซื้อ
4 minutes.
A few moments later.
Hello, good morning. I just want to ask about the product I bought last week, and it's yeah.
I cannot call it back today.
I'm sorry.
Okay. If it's urgent, we will come back.
You will call me back.
Yes,
And that I will expect the call after 20 minutes.
yes, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. So I have to wait 20 minutes for somebody to call me back. Okay, we'll see. It's calling me now. Hello? Hello?
Hello, we are calling from the shopping online, ma'am. May I
Yeah.
help you?
Thank you for calling me. Saying about the product I bought. I think that was delivered to me last week.
Yes.
It's a small washing machine. Okay, and
Yeah.
this is the product's name is Thompson.
Yeah.
I just noticed that the actual product, when I unbox it, it's a different name. But in the manual, I saw the photo. It's the same. It's Thompson. But the actual product that I see is Thomas.
Okay. So may I have your order number, please?
Okay, I have to check that one first now because
Okay. Yes, it will begin with the RO.
RO. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's
Or,
correct.
okay, just a moment, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for everything, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, you just unpacked the box, but you still not use it, right?
Right now, I haven't used it, but
Send us for the photo of the item, and you would like to return or the exchange item.
you put the wrong product inside the box.
I'm not sure. I have to coordinate with the warehouse to check for your order. We'll email to you, and after that, you reply me for the photo, and after that, we'll coordinate with the warehouse. But
So I will expect your email after we talk, right?
yes, I will send you immediately after I end the call.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a
Bye
nice day.
bye. Okay, have a good day. My piece of advice is, don't get mad right away. Don't panic. Just calm down and, give them the benefit of the doubt. You have to call the customer service of the store where you bought the product, and that's what I just did. And you have to explain calmly what's the problem, and let them give you the solution. Another thing is to not use the product right away. You have to carefully check everything. Is it the actual product you bought? That you have to check carefully and make sure you have the right one. If not, then you have to let them know. You have to give them the chance to resolve the issue, whatever the problem is with the product you bought. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell so you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all watching my videos. Thank you, and this is Joan once